Right, we're going.
Alright, Kim's cup. Floating. It's actually really good. It's like super sweet.
Yeah?
I gotta wash it down with some Guinness.
Live Guinness shot. There we go. The ultimate lunch spot. Mystery Man.
across the street to another life and catching my reflection in a window, searching out a light, one I didn't know, totally alive, totally alive.
I've never done like Instagram food shit. Oh, dude, this is like commercial level shit.
Chill as hell.
Squirrel whisperer.
Apparently.
Gonna get in front of him. Gonna empty or drain your pocket.
Yo, MF Doom,
Mr. Fantastic,
fantastic.
villain,
What up, nigga?
ain't nothing, what's the word?
It's cracking, boy.
Same old shit, kid.
Man,
Day, you
rap
know?
snitches, man. Shit is bugged out, man. What the fuck, man?
Shit telling me,
Niggas running their mouth, telling everything, everything.
critical.
Rap snitches, telling all their business. Sit in the court and be their own star witness. Do you see the perpetrator? Yeah, I'm right here. Fuck around, get the whole label sent up for years. Rap snitches, telling all their business. Sit in the court and be their own star witness. Do you see the perpetrator? Yeah, I'm right here. Fuck around, get the whole label sent up for years. Tight profile, low, like 8 and paid in full. Attract heavy cash, cause the game's centrifugal. Mr. Fantastic, long though like elastic. All my life with twin Glocks that's made out of plastic. Can stand up brown nosing nigga, fake ass bastard. Admiring my style, tall bust through Manhattan, plotting, playing the quickest. My flow's the sickest, my hoes be the thickest. My dro, the stickiest. Street nigga, stamped and bona fide. When beef jump, niggas come get me cause they know I ride. True to the ski mask, New York's my origin. Play a fake gangster like an old accordion. According to him, when the D's rushed in, complication from the wild testimony was thin. Caused this man to go up north the boy, hit him again. Lame rap snitch nigga, even told on the Mexican. Rap snitches, telling on their business. Sit in the court and be their own star witness. Do you see the perpetrator? Yeah, I'm right here. Fuck around, get the whole label sent up for years. Rap snitches, telling on their business. Sit in the court and be their own star witness. Do you see the perpetrator? Yeah, I'm right here. Fuck around, get the whole label sent up for years.
True, there's rules to this shit. Fools dare care. Everybody wanna rule the world with tears for fear. Yeah, tell it on the mountain hill. Running up their mouth bill. Everybody doubting still. Former, keep it up and get tested. Pop through your bubble vest or double-breasted. He keep a lab down south in the Little Beast. So much heat you would've thought it was the Middle East. A little grease always keeps the wheels a spinning, like sitting on 23s to get the squealers grinning. Hitting on many trees,
Huh?
How
would you even plan something like that?
You
just do it randomly, hope it works out.
Then he fled after one slap. Son, shut your trap, save it for the bitches. Delicious rap snitch delicious.
You know what I'm saying?
It's terrible.
Crazy, man. I'm just analyzing this whole game. It's just bugged out, man. Niggas snitching, telling on their own self.
It's a horror.
Fuck around, gonna get anybody bag, man.
Can't even lie.
Cheers.
Sorry, I really think I might be in a quiet taste and I haven't even put Gong to start acquiring.
Cheers. Cheers. Yo, guys, check out this fucking bathroom. What the fuck?
The pace, the speed, the need to sage, the chance to die. Another dead don't cry, another dead don't cry. You still got speed, your baby believe. But this what are you doing it for? One more. Another death don't cry. Another death don't cry. You set on speed. To think on speed. Turn it.
London calling, live by the river.
I swear to God, if you keep singing that song, I'm gonna slap a bitch. Isn't that right, bitch?
I will slap a bitch, and there's only one around me.
Buckingham Palace has announced the death of His Royal Highness the Duke of Edinburgh.